Hey queens, welcome back to Awaken Queen, where we'll explore the mysterious magnetic world of dark feminine energy. Whether you're new to this concept or you've already started embracing it, this video is for you. We'll unpack what it is, why it's important, and how you can use it to transform your life. So grab your favorite drink, get cozy, and let's dive in. Let's start with the basics and get one thing straight. Dark feminine energy isn't about being evil or negative. Far from it. Think of it as the yin to the light feminine's yang. While the light feminine is nurturing, gentle, and outwardly radiant, the dark feminine is powerful, magnetic, and deeply intuitive. It's that side of you that doesn't ask for permission to exist. It's the part of you that says, I'm here and I'm not apologizing for it. I remember when I first heard about dark feminine energy, I thought, oh no, this sounds scary. But once I understood it, I realized it was the missing piece in my journey. The truth is, we all have this energy inside us. We've just been taught to suppress it. Dark femininity is about reclaiming your wholeness, embracing every part of yourself, even the parts that society often tells you to hide. Think of it like this. The light feminine is the sun, radiant, nurturing, life-giving. She's the warmth that helps things grow. And the dark feminine, she's the moon. She's the cool, reflective light that guides you through the night. Powerful, mysterious, and deeply intuitive. She's the part of you that knows things without knowing why. She's the quiet storm brewing within you, the force that can't be tamed. The part of you that feels everything deeply and isn't afraid to express it. She's your raw, unfiltered emotion. It's that voice inside that says, no more dimming my light. No more hiding who I truly am. No more shrinking myself to fit in. I will stand tall and be seen. This is me, and I am magnificent. I am powerful beyond measure. Your dark feminine energy is the source of your raw, primal power. It's the essence of your true self, unbound and free. So why does this matter? Because for so many of us, we've been conditioned to shrink ourselves, to be nice, agreeable, and quiet. But your dark, feminine energy, she's not here for any of that. She's here to remind you that you're whole as you are. Flaws, emotions, desires, and all. When you tap into this energy, you stop living for others and start living for yourself. And let me tell you, it's a game changer. You'll feel stronger, more confident, and more aligned with who you truly are. For far too long, women have been told to shrink themselves, to fit into boxes that society has created for them, to be nice, to be agreeable, to put everyone else's needs before their own, often at the expense of their own happiness and well-being. But here's the thing, when you silence your dark feminine, you silence your truth, your inner voice that knows what you truly desire. Your dark feminine energy is the antidote to a lifetime of conditioning, a way to break free from societal expectations. It's about setting yourself free from the expectations of others and embracing the fierce, unapologetic woman you were born to be, without any reservations. When you tap into this energy, you give yourself permission to feel everything, to experience the full spectrum of your emotions. The joy, the pain, the anger, the passion, it's all welcome here, and it all has a place in your journey. Embracing your dark feminine energy is about reclaiming your voice, your power, your truth, and living authentically. You might be wondering, how do I know if I'm tapping into my dark feminine energy? It's simple. So how do you know if you're in touch with your dark feminine energy? Here are a few telltale signs. First, you trust your gut. You know that feeling deep down, the one that tells you what you need. That's your intuition, your inner compass, speaking to you. Your dark feminine energy is deeply connected to this inner wisdom. Start listening to it. Second, you embrace your emotions. You don't shy away from feeling things deeply. You allow yourself to experience the full spectrum of human emotion without judgment or apology. Third, you own your sensuality. This isn't about pleasing anyone but yourself. Now let's talk about how to awaken this dormant power within you. Dark feminine energy is a potent force that resides within all of us, waiting to be tapped into. It's about embracing the mysterious, the intuitive, and the deeply emotional aspects of ourselves. Here are a few practices to help you connect with your dark feminine energy and bring it to the forefront of your life. 1. Create a ritual for yourself. Rituals can be powerful tools for grounding and centering your energy. This could be as simple as lighting a candle and journaling before bed, or as elaborate as creating a sacred space in your home dedicated to self-care and reflection. The act of setting aside time for yourself is a declaration of your worth. The key is to create a space where you can connect with yourself on a deeper level, free from distractions and judgment. 2. Practice saying no. This is crucial for maintaining your energy. When you say yes to everything and everyone, you end up depleting your energy and neglecting your own needs. Start setting boundaries. It's not about being selfish, it's about self-preservation. Say no to things that drain you and yes to things that light you up. This will help you conserve your energy for what truly matters. 3. Dress for your energy. The way you present yourself to the world can have a profound impact on how you feel inside. What makes you feel powerful and confident? Maybe it's a bold red lipstick, a pair of sky-high heels, or a flowing dress that makes you feel like a goddess. Embrace what makes you feel strong and beautiful. Whatever it is, wear it. The way you dress can have a powerful impact on your energy and how you feel about yourself. 4. Connect with your sensuality. This doesn't mean you have to go out and buy lingerie, though hey, if that's your thing, go for it. It's about feeling good in your own skin. Take a long wear soft fabrics, or just move your body in ways that feel good. This could mean exploring your creativity through dance, art, or music. These activities can help you tap into your inner power and express your true self. Or it could mean simply taking the time to appreciate the beauty of your own body and all the amazing things it can do. Embrace your sensuality and let it guide you to a deeper connection with your dark feminine energy. When you finally decide to stop dimming your light and embrace the fullness of who you are, magic happens. The world starts to reflect your inner radiance. You attract relationships that are aligned with your values. Opportunities you never thought possible present themselves. You become a magnet for abundance, love, and joy. You stop chasing and start attracting. You stop shrinking and start expanding. You stop playing small and start living a life that feels authentically and unapologetically you. This week, I challenge you to tap into your dark feminine energy in one small way. Maybe it's finally wearing that bold red lipstick you've been saving for a special occasion. Maybe it's saying no to a commitment that drains your energy. Or maybe it's simply taking 5 minutes to yourself to journal about what makes you feel powerful and beautiful. Whatever it is, commit to it. Own it. And then come back here and tell me all about it in the comments below. Thank you for spending this time with me. Remember, your dark feminine energy is your birthright. Embrace it, own it, and let it guide you to a life that feels powerful and authentic. Your dark feminine energy is not something to be feared but to be embraced. Is the key to unlocking your most authentic, powerful self. Don't forget to like this video if it resonated with you and share it with the queen in your life who needs to hear this message, and subscribe for more content like this. Until next time, stay fierce and unstoppable.